Well, today, folks, instead of going to Arizona, as Spirit so kindly informed me, the money that it was going to cost to get in there was better used to get here. So we are in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Beautiful fountain with a lion spitting out. But as we walk around, you can see that road, the bridge over there. That's the London Bridge. I've been here once before and didn't stick around too long because there was a funky smell in the air. But today, it's nice and fresh and it smells good in here. So we have all these cute little shops. We'll stop at the visitor center on the way out so I can find out where some of the campgrounds are and set up camp for a week or so to help clear my energy. As my coach so kindly let me know yesterday, there's still a little bit of trauma hanging on from the incident in Black Mesa. And I'm probably going to end up writing an article about it in Medium, and then I'll do a video on it because it really did almost cost me my life, scared the living daylights out of me, which is trauma. And that's one thing that needs to be healed out of the body. So that's why we need to just stop for a while and just enjoy. Lake Havasu, Arizona. Kind of cool. See, now that's the kind of chair I need. Totally relaxing. It's calor. Kind of hard to fit in the living room. Definitely hard to fit in the car. So, might have to stay here and I'll just have to use it here. So it's either me has changed or the energy here has changed. It doesn't feel quite as chaotic as it did when I was here years ago. It was one of those, hurry up and get here. I see the London Bridge, got a picture of it. It is kind of cool that it came from London. But see, you can take little boat rides. Somebody coming in on a canoe, it looks like. There's boats down here. Let's see, give you a better view of that London Bridge. Ooh, there's all kinds of stuff written on the. Oh, can't see it that way, but if I go this way, they're upside down. Looks like people's names. Oh, I'd love to jump in that water right now. Although it looks kind of icky green, but it probably would feel good. So I wanted to just take you on a walking tour so you can see the London Bridge. It's actually pretty good size. You can say get in the shade. Whew. That's one of the pillars holding it up. All the way up there. Goes down over there. If you come through Main Street through town, you actually go across the London Bridge. Hi. benches. And then I have to walk underneath the bridge. On this side, and there's more shops over here. I got lucky. Somebody left when I was coming in, so I got to actually park in some shade, which is pretty much unheard of here in Arizona. But there was some shade trees out there. Ooh, I like the name of that. Rubber duck. You can gasoline rent jet skis. Oh. That's one thing I need after all this driving. It's a wellness center. I might have to check that out. First and foremost, we need to find a campground so we can get the campsite set up. And let's see, there's some more jet skis, looks like little kayaks, all kinds of stuff you can rent. Ooh. See? It's alive and well here. That's great. Now I don't feel so out of place. Oh, beer limit. You can only have 20. Huh. London Bridge ice cream shop. You can get shaved ice. What else is up there? Some kind of studio. Oh, kids specializing in kid and art adult classes. That's cool. Wow. I never walked this far the first time I was here, so this is kind of cool, and it's new to me as well. So this is fun. This looks like a riverboat. The Dixie Belle. And they do sunset tours. That's cool. That's a cool boat. The Dixie Belle. The dog's out here. I need to find Bearheart's leash and harness, just so that he can get out every once in a while out of the car. At the campground, it's not a problem, but when we stop, he always has to stay put. Ooh, you can actually see the bottom here. The water's a little clearer. I don't see any fish. Looks like there might be a pool or something up there. Hotel. So you were just gonna walk the boardwalk here and give you, see, these guys do daily boat tours and excursions as well. Huh. This is a cool little boardwalk. So I hope you guys are all having a great Monday. We are nearing the middle of the month. And it seems like it should be over already. It's been that long. Oh, see, now you can see the bridge from this side. Cool. Far enough away. And it goes all the way down there. I can't remember how the London Bridge actually was acquired here and why it was brought to Lake Havasu City. I'd have to look it up, but it is the actual London Bridge that was in London, England. So that's kind of cool. Oh, this is so cool. It just keeps going. See, and then I get my exercise at the same time as I'm showing you guys around. See how that works? I don't have an excuse not to exercise. All the birds are out. It's going to be a warm day here. I think they said it's going to be like 85. And it's supposed to cool down by Thursday, back down into the 70s, which will be a little easier for Bearheart. Because we always got to think of our critters, our little friends that keep us company, keep us grounded, make us laugh. Okay, sometimes they make us cry. But they are our companions. Can be rather funny at times, but they're also very loving, compassionate. They don't ask a whole lot of us, except unconditional love. Oh, this is even a better view. No obstruction. So, let's see here. We'll start at that side, which is where my car is parked over in that parking lot way over there, and then work our way across the London Bridge.
Yeah, exactly.
Beautiful here. So folks, this is where I'm at. I'm probably gonna stay at least for a few days, if not a week, just to relax, get the kinks out. Hopefully I can find a place here to take the car in once I get my Social Security, to have them look at it and see if they can't get that ABS light off. Because if I really am supposed to come back to Arizona or the Nevada border, which is not that far from here, I still have to go back to New Mexico to get my stuff. And in order to do that, we have to make sure the car's in working order again. So I'm going to sit here in the shade for a little while and relax and just enjoy the stillness and the scenery. I hope you guys have a beautiful week. If you didn't check out the weekly reading yesterday for the week for the collective, go check that out. I posted it yesterday morning. I actually used some new cards that I got. So it card deck by Kyle Gray. It's beautiful images on the cards. So go check that out on the other playlist of the weekly spirit messages. And if you haven't hit like and subscribe yet, hit the like and subscribe button. It helps me a lot in growing the channel so I can reach more people. And I will also put a link to the Ko-fi donation bot so that we can, you know, if you like what you're seeing and hearing and you want more of it, so that I can continue to give you these tours of the different parts of the country. I know Bearheart would appreciate it, but so do I, because this is actually kind of fun and I'm doing it anyway. So if it helps other people who are looking to travel or who would like to but can't, you get to actually see different parts of states that I go through and check out, and it almost feels like you're there. So again, hit the like and subscribe, that way you're notified of more videos as they come up. Hi, oh, you're okay. And we'll talk to you later. Bye for now, everyone. Walk in beauty.